update. Ooh, what's happening here? Just came back from hot yoga. Okay, so yes, I bought a $900 memory card. I never put that much money on one single card. And here's the story. These are Canadian dollars, so it's probably like $2 US. I don't know, I didn't check. So I bought that card from my 1DX Mark II, this one right here, because the only card I had was a 64 gigabytes, and like I'm going nowhere with this. I need something more beefy. I had a 256 gigabyte compact flash card, which died on me. I hate compact flash cards. I keep breaking them. I don't know. I'm not good with those. SD cards are good. C-Fast are incredible. So fast and just like good cards. So what happened with this? This is like the cool story of the day. It's that, let me put that back here. By the way, this is my new own TV studio. What do you think about it? It's a bit too bright. Let me dial down a little bit. Okay, so yes, this is my new TV studio that I'm currently building. When I say TV, I mean YouTube. And so this right here that I put a lot of money on. So what happened is that, hi Minou, want to be on TV? It's not TV, it's YouTube. She's been sick for 3 days now, but she keeps want to play. So I bought this on Amazon, and then I got an email a few hours later from ProGrade. He said, I saw your name and I thought, oh, is it D. Eric Paré? Can I laugh about that? Because I'm not used to that, like my name and stuff. Like I'm from a small village, and I never looked for that kind of thing. It just happened over time. So he checked, and it was me. So he contacted me. He said, would like to, I don't know, try to see if we can work together. And we got into a very cool deal super easily, like great company. And what's very interesting is that on the same day, I was talking with Kim about that company. I was telling her like that I'm super impressed about ProGrade. They are doing very innovative products, and they announced a new product with different, like a new type of card that we're going to see. Get out! New type of cards that we're going to see in newer cameras, like in the future, that's going to allow us to work in 4K, 120 frames per second, like big projects. And that day that I talked to Kim about that company, that I purchased that super expensive card, they got in touch with me. And so the deal is that, and they gave me a second one and 4 SD cards also that I'm going to use on my other cameras. And these are like super fast SD cards, so good deal. I love when it's easy and when it's company I want to work with, just like that. Okay, so that was the first thing. Minou is looking okay. I think she's going to survive. I was very worried yesterday. Okay, let's move on to another studio. I want to show you something very special we are currently working on. I'm running so I don't have to accelerate that part. Okay, so the scanner is still up, 175 cameras, and on the other side, which has been empty for a few weeks because we sent everything to Orlando for the baseball camp. You probably saw that gig we did with the Atlanta Brave, and now we're building something a bit different. It's not going to be full 360, it's going to be 3 different rigs, Virtual.ink here and there, and X-Angle over there. About Virtual.ink, I'm very close to launch my demo video. It's ready. I'm just thinking about the the best way to put it online. And going back to Xangle, I have this super messy setup. Like there are a lot of cables. This is going to be taken away. It's going to be much cleaner in a few days. But look at that. So we have a new selfie page and a selfie button. This is a one page. Like I'm going to go full screen just to make it more real. You can now brand that page. You can change the logo, change the background. It's a bit hard to see, but this is a trigger button. Yeah, there we go. So when I press on it, I have a countdown. And if I go on the other side, on my mark, oops, I was a bit too slow. But the pictures are coming, and here I am. So the idea here is to have a permanent installation that is going to be self-working, creating selfies. So you go to the mall, or I don't know, and you have that kind of rig. You just press a button, and then you get your result, and you can share it right away. Is that making sense? Let's go upstairs. So you probably saw how fast it was to get that result. I've been working a lot on the performances over the last months, and it's just the beginning. It took 7 seconds to get my preview, and we're going down to 4 seconds on 18 cameras. Upcoming in a few weeks. Working hard. Okay, the light is bad, I'm sorry. So I'm at my desk, and I want to show you one last thing before I end up that video. I got one small sequence of that Virtual.ink video that it's finished. It's just like, I'm not sure, like there are many different directions that I can take with that product. I think I got it. I was doing the Savasana tonight, lying on my back at the yoga studio, and I was like, okay, I think I got it. So I'm not going to tell it now, but look at that little thing right here. I'm super proud of this. And my guys have been working hard on the software, and Kim and I have been working hard on creating beautiful visuals. So it's ready. Just give me a few more days, and I'm going to tell you everything about this cool project. Thank you.